You understand me? We're buying the international market price around $100 per barrel. It was around $100 a barrel at the end.
Now, I'm a bit checked back. Aqua baby, obi anim baby a omusha me no ka say aha eye kama sumjewa akoti konso ebo ha ebo pan ekwan ne de period ti a o kan ni tuwe na aka say obetwam akọ police headquarters a untimi nkọ ufin kran na wo ba la pass krampo a efiera obi aka say obeba ho de ade ebrewo na wantini ama enye boapayo ekwan ni nyina atia enne me no ka say cycle obi nkọ obi ma and then asumje de ebi wa ha me hu to obi aka so obi agbobi ye pi obi reform and attempt to kwa bia by there bibia na NCA akotifo ebo adwuma and demonstrators no so omujede
eje nya be the guy who says he can do it no na edit to your website no so say Arise Ghana oshiboku no pese wo ye kire dit ya ban otis we sane ahokyire a ekoso manmu no bia boa den ne ma eka ho ne nti enne na eba so a ye kase da so yo ye kire anasa demonstration of ye pesa mo hwe and
we cannot miss this opportunity. So as we go there and go out with all that we have shared, we want to see that the end product will be as follows. One, the demonstrators themselves and their leadership will be so happy with us that after the demonstration, they will come and wanting to say a big thank you.
Couples, what they intend to do, at what time they intend to move the protest this afternoon. And so we just wanted to find out, even as we move now, what time exactly is the protest going to start?
It will start any moment from now.
Any moment from now?
We can't give you the actual time, but it will start any moment from now.
And you indeed hope to adhere to the 4 p.m. directive that
we will follow every protocol, we follow every step, and we follow every decision that we have taken with them.
Keith.
The police just came, as you can see, COP Tete Yohunu came to invite the leadership to have a meeting and a word with us. We are law-abiding citizens, so we want to listen to what they want to tell us, and then we can continue from there. But as we said, we are peace-loving citizens of Ghana who are hurt by the kind of governance that President Akuffo-Addo has led this country. Everything has gone amok. Things have gone helter-skelter. Youth unemployment has reached an alarming proportion. Food to eat is a problem. Fuel prices have gone too high for the people of Ghana to contain. And simply, economic hardship is something that the people of Ghana cannot bear. Using the police to intimidate innocent citizens who want to express their freedoms under Article 21 of the 1992 Constitution is not something that we will tolerate. And so if the police want to engage us, as you have seen, we are willing and we will engage with them. So for us, we will continue to tell the story of how Akuffo-Addo is such a monumental failure in the history of Ghana's leadership.